Hi folks, this is Teddy Burriss, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. The question I got this morning was this: Teddy, can anybody create a job on LinkedIn without having to pay for it? And the answer is yes. The functionality is slightly different. The algorithms and the analytics are slightly different, and the distribution of that job posting is slightly different. But anybody can create a job posting on LinkedIn. Let me show you what I'm talking about. From the home page, click on Start a Post right here. And then down the bottom right-hand corner, it says Share that you're hiring. So you click on that. By the way, the first time you click on that, it's going to bring up a dialog box and just give you a little bit of insights into how this works. But then you pick the job, the company, the current company that you work for, and then you enter in a job title. I'm just going to put the word Test Engineer. So you can see I have to choose from a drop-down list. I don't have the ability to create a title beyond what's available to me in the drop-down list. So choose that. Location, again, this is going to come from the LinkedIn locations. I type in Burlington. There it is right there. Then you got to choose employment type. And again, drop-down list, full, part-time, contract, temporary, etc. Then you put your job description. Now you get 400 characters here. So you want to use as many of them as you can. Note, this job description should be very welcoming, encouraging, exciting. It should not be a long-winded list of skills and expertise. Yeah, you're going to want to put a little bit of that in there, but you really want to be compelling. This is social media. Make this post compelling. Then once you've got your post written, then it might be worthwhile to look at the LinkedIn's job policy, the job terms and conditions, but then you can hit the next button. Now, this is the first post you're going to get for this job opening, or this we're hiring. Write this well. Focus on the target audience of that job. Maybe ask your network to share it. Maybe ask if someone knows of someone that you should consider. Write this really, really well, which this obviously is not, and then hit the post. Now that job is posted. It's live in LinkedIn's job postings. Here it is right here. You can see it. You can read it. And when you click on this right here, watch where it goes. This works very similar to the way a regular LinkedIn job posting works. You get the ability to save it. You get the ability right here to share it, copy it, post it on Twitter, Facebook. You get the ability to report it or send feedback. If you're connected to the job poster, you may see their information there. The dashboard, profile your ads are in the middle there for a resume writer. You see the number of applications. This is premium. Anything that's in gold is premium. So if you're not a premium user, you won't see that. If you're not a premium user, you won't see that. But you will see more about the company. Let me go show you what this looks like from somebody who's not the poster. Hang on one second. Here's how it looks from someone else who works for the same company. Let's go take a look at that. Not a premium user. So there's the posting. New, posted 2 minutes ago. 2 people I know work there based on this profile. You can see that this test account I've got is connected to me. So therefore, if you're connected to the person posting it, you can see who that person is. There's all the details of the post, not a lot. Highlights of the company, 1 person. There's more about the company. And again, back to the top, there's the Easy Apply button. So I hit the Easy Apply. No phone number, email, or resume. Guess because it's not a regular LinkedIn job posting. Add a note. I can tell Teddy why I'm a good fit. And then hit Submit. And the application's been submitted. Now let's go back to regular LinkedIn, see what it looks like to the poster. So here's my post, looking at it as if I post because of my account. I can see 1 applicant. I can view the applicants. Just that person. Send that person a message back. This is pretty straightforward. The magic for people who are posting these jobs without the full-blown LinkedIn job engine is that, A, it may look the same and function similarly But you're going to have to share this with others and get others to share it for you so you can get more people to see it. But it is a free job posting on LinkedIn. I'm Teddy, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Hope that's helpful.